Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by securing certified modules rather than fabricating sensors. This keeps performance predictable and legal. Choose image intensification for low light amplification or thermal for heat contrast, and pick a lens matched to the module's focal format. Once you have components, check mechanical fit and connector types so you can plan mounts and power delivery. Make sure to prioritize safety. Use tested power packs and avoid improvising high-voltage parts because that's how failures and hazards arise. Now you align optics to the sensor. Position the lens for full field coverage and use coarse adjustments to find the focal plane. Once done, route power through a protected switch and include a heat path such as vents or a small heatsink. Electronics run hot and stability matters. If using an illuminator, aim it so the sensor receives even illumination. If thermal, keep the window free of smudges. You'll test output on a monitor to confirm framing and exposure. To finish, fasten the enclosure and perform stepwise tests: ambient dusk, full dark with illuminator, and obscured scenes for contrast. You want stable images across conditions, so adjust gain and focus iteratively while watching live output. If images are dim or noisy, first confirm firm mechanical alignment, then verify the power source and connections. Finally, clean optics and sensor windows. If problems persist, stop and consult.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.